I'll wear mine I'll wear mine if we're moving, especially.
Oh,
just
yeah.
because you can swim, but how do you swim if you're thrown from a boat at 40
yeah.
miles an hour?
Well, and also if you've got littles on the boat with you too, you want to set that example.
Well,
for
Luca
them,
yells
too.
at me if I start pulling out.
Of course he does.
If I start pulling out of the dock without mine on, he's like,
"Excuse me."
Well, and on top of that, right, we've been talking earlier this week about how it's so hot outside. People are like, let's get in the water, but it's still pretty cold, right? Like 51,
Although,
52?
I didn't see any of the warnings that they issue for that. Probably it was just in the threshold of it's cold, but
right there, yeah.
You'll be okay. But yeah. You should
let's not take any
chances.
Yeah.
You'll be prepared. Well, Amanda and I were watching on one of the cameras on TV the other day, someone doing stand-up paddleboarding.
Oh, wow.
And I was like, to me, stand-up
Brave.
paddleboarding, I have the kind of balance where it's basically like, I'm going to go swimming. You know what I mean? I'm just going to assume I'm going to end up in the water much more than other watercraft out there. 80 in Portland right now, still doing pretty good. 82 in Ogunquit, 90 in Waterboro, 91 in Parsonsfield, 91 in Freiburg. They got to 92 today, so still very hot, obviously. This afternoon, 86 in Bangor along the coastline, immediate coastline. In the low 70s, not bad, though, Southwest Harbor at 71. They'll take that. Bar Harbor at 77. 2 points, sticky. 60 to 65. I mean, we joke about this sometimes, right? This is not Louisiana sticky or anything like that, but for northern New England to be over 60 on a dew point usually is when you start to notice it, and we did that today, 60 to 65. Had trouble keeping any showers going there. They just got kind of killed out here by the air mass, which is okay. We're in good shape here the rest of today. You can see that sea breeze going on shore. That's what that little line is there in the radar, right when it goes right over that gray radar. So we're looking good. Not even a lot of cloud cover the rest of this afternoon into this evening. It is mild tonight. We discussed before, do you put your air conditioning in? Some people, they vary on that. I think this is a warm night. I mean, this is a summery night. So if that's your criteria, we're going to be in the 70s through a lot of the evening. Dew points remain high. There will be an onshore flow in down East Maine, keeping them down into the 50s by later this evening. Tomorrow is not as pristine as today, not as much sunshine and more showers and storms, but still pretty warm, I think. I think we get into the 80s in quite a few spots. The dew points are still high. Thunderstorms come through. Not everyone gets in on them, but there will be some heavy downpours embedded in those. As those thunderstorms move offshore tomorrow night, our air mass changes. It becomes drier, and it becomes a little bit cooler on Friday, but not in a bad way. Friday is actually fantastic. Upper 70s and a lot of sun. Saturday looks great too, mid 70s and a lot of sun. Still watching Sunday. I think we're okay though. I put a shower chance in there. I just want you to be aware there is a chance of a shower, especially in the morning over coastal Maine, but I think most of us are partly sunny on Sunday afternoon. Cloudy on Memorial Day itself with rain coming in on Monday afternoon into Monday night, so I don't think Memorial Day is a great looking day on its own. Rain likely into Tuesday. 2 out of 3 basically on a Memorial Day weekend. You'll take it because there's some really bad ones that we've had over the years weather-wise. But again, don't sleep on Friday, especially Saturday. If you need a day where it's not going to rain, then Saturday is your day. There's some upside potential to Sunday, but there is a shower chance in there too. So Saturday is kind of your lock day, and then Memorial Day again, not great.
When did you say Sunday? Rain for Sunday?
More likely in the morning.
Okay. We've got the Travis Mills Memorial Day 5K and 10K this weekend. So
it's not going to be enough to make that not doable. Just be some showers.
Little mist as you're running out there.
Cool you off in those temperatures.
All right. Thanks, Keith.